In the learning management system, one of the fundamental building blocks is the ability to import content. And content can be anything from Word documents, PowerPoint, policies and procedures, on-job learning, etc. Now, there's also what are called AICC and SCORM files, are the types of files that are created to make e-modules online. Most of that content will come from the corporate office. The other items you're able to load. And the great news is once this content is loaded, you can use that content for multiple courses depending on what you're building in the system. To start the process, access SuccessFactors via iConnect. Click on the Learning Administration tile. On the left-hand side, click on the Content arrow. This is going to bring up a menu. Click Import Content. Now, in this example, we're going to be adding new content. If you have an item that's existing already, you can replace the content for that item. Click on Next. Click on the Browse icon and locate the content that you're wanting to upload. Once you have found that content, click on the file and click Open. You will now see your document or your content is sitting there and the name should be the same. Click Next. You want to make sure that the display content is ticked. The server location will be Kersner. We recommend that you click off on Send Deployment Email Notification. For the Content Package ID, we recommend that you name it what it is based on. For this example, we're uploading the 70-20-10 development process. So we're naming it that, so when we want to find it in the future, it will be easier in the system. The next thing you want to look at is, do you want your learners to be able to access this information on their mobile? We recommend that you say yes to that. We also recommend that you do not allow them to download the data, so leave that second one unticked. Now, for any item that is not an AICC or SCORM packaged online module, so anything that's a Word document, a PDF, things like that, you want to make sure that you tick Apply AICC Wrapper. And the reason for this is if you don't put this on, the system won't be able to log the learning into the learner's history. So just tick that box and then click Import Files. You will see the system process and upload that. It will say Successfully Imported. You now want to schedule this job. Click Schedule Job. Now ensure that Run this job immediately is ticked, and we also recommend that you untick Notify via email upon completion because we're going to wait for it to upload now. Click Finish. You will see here the status is pending. You want to stay here until that changes to Successful. This indicates that the content has been successfully loaded. Great job! You've successfully loaded content.